Hey, it's Katie with WTI. I was so intimidated to use the sous vide by Hobsir Hob when it arrived, and those were some weeks that were totally wasted because once I started using it, I fell completely in love with it. This comes with so much more than just the sous vide. It also includes everything you need to get started. Oh, and did I mention that this is Wi Fi capable? So I actually set this up to use with my phone. There's a simple app that I can turn it on and off. I can check the status of what's cooking, see how long is left, turn it off if I need to. I just love this thing. It has made cooking so easy. This isn't really intuitive cooking, so I did look up recipes online. Everything will be cooked thoroughly and your meat will be so juicy and tender. All you need to do after that is sear it. I have found that it makes the most amazing pork tenderloins and chicken wings. Yes, wings. This makes meal prep so easy. After the meat is cooked, I can put it in the refrigerator or put it in the freezer and save it for later and know that no matter when I use it, it's going to be nice and tender and full of flavor. If you've been wondering if getting a sous vide is worth it, even before this video ends, you need to add to cart. And that's my point of view.